Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming to you with a video on crochet braid maintenance. Now my client has been wearing this style for about 3 weeks and she's coming in for a nice shampoo. So I'm going to start off with the rosemary stimulating spray. This helps get the buildup off her scalp and of course stimulating to stimulate her scalp. So what I do, I just spray it on the parts from her braids. And then I take this rosemary shampoo, and what I do is put some in a bottle with a nozzle and add some water to it so I can get on her scalp and in between her braids as well. So yes. So next I take a firm toothbrush, yes, a toothbrush, to scrub her scalp and to make sure I get all the buildup off her scalp. And if she has any flakes, that helps get rid of that too. So I do this about 3 times to the scalp and make sure that it's clean. So after shampooing, I go in with my coconut milk leave-in conditioner. You always want to use a liquid leave-in conditioner and not a cream because it will stick to the braids. So after that, then I take the stimulating scalp oil and I'm just going to oil her scalp just to make sure her scalp stays moisturized. Okay, so after I moisturize her scalp, I sit her under the dryer for about 45 minutes. And when she's done, I go in with my diffuser to give her some volume so it won't look flat because we have a curly style and she likes volume anyway. So I just take the diffuser. Also, I took some Schwarzkopf mousse to get rid of some of the frizzies that you see. I just went in, actually, I went in with the mousse strand by strand, the ones that were real frizzy, to calm that down. And then I just fluffed her up. Anything that needs to be trimmed, I trimmed it. And she was on her way. Nice, clean scalp, nice and refreshed. And she's going to wear this about 3 more weeks. All right, guys, so that's it. The end of the video. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, rate, and comment as well. And follow me on Instagram at Herstylez15 and Facebook at Herstylez Hair Studio. My voice is sounding a little raspy because it's a little late when I'm doing this. So yes, thank you for watching. All right, bye-bye.